Here we have a video for a Safari dark brown flip clock. It is kind of, not exactly, but kind of cylindrical in shape. Some reason it has some wood decor on the knob. It suits it quite well actually. The text. This is used to set the alarm, which is, I think, very loud. This doesn't wake you up, I don't know what will. And it's running, as you can see. It's in a very nice shape. Nothing fancy. One of them clocks that was sold under different brand names. Basically the same clock but just a different label. This particular one is sold by Safari. So have to wait and see until she flips, because of course she's working. So have to be patient. There you go, working like a charm. Here's the back side. Brand new cable, brand new plug. And the other side, side. Pretty cylindrical, as you can see. All in all, a neat, nice little clock / alarm clock. Thank you for watching.